So within the STEM area here at college, we have a great belief in terms of the enterprising learning and the enterprising learning strategy for the college. For myself personally, it's something that I've sold to employers and gone out and spoken to people in industry about. And I've not once yet spoken to an employer or manufacturer, whether they be in science, engineering or automotive, who has heard about enterprising learning, heard about project-based learning, my skills, and learning outside of the classroom and thought of it to be a bad idea. They've all identified that those are the key areas that we need to develop in our learners to make them.
It's all about the BTEC students. They're doing a conference which is related to superhumans, and the superhumans aspect is looking at anatomy and physiology and how we're taking the understanding of those systems to the next level.
These projects help you develop skills in doing like independent skills, so you won't have to like you set something, you can do it yourself and like improve upon all them skills so you can do above what you.
So project-based learning is basically the base of everything that you're going to get in work in college. So project-based learning in college, what I've learned is the teachers give you a base of the subjects that you need to know in the lessons.
It's what I wanted to do like myself, and I don't want to like do assignments and stuff. It's like
I've enjoyed doing this project because it's creative, it's adapted around me, so I can do it in my own way.
And this has really helped me, like, it makes me branch out my knowledge rather than focusing on
We've
one thing.
had to go away and do research on the different systems, and we've had to link it to diseases and how the knowledge of the systems can be used in the future to make medicine, and like it's definitely improved our research skills because we've had to do a lot of that, and it's improved our independence as well because we've done it on our own board and we've decided what to do.
So what we're doing here today is they've already designed the engine frame mounting, and now they're cutting all the parts to size, ready to assemble the frame. What they're making are frames to take those engines out of the aeroplane and to mount them in the frame, you know, like they do with a car engine, so that you can work with
Hi, my name is Dan, and our project is to design a ram air turbine as an auxiliary power unit. This will be to complement the current electricity systems in the truck, and it will also help to recharge the battery in any emergency situation.
Some of the skills we've used during this project are our time-bound skills. We've been working to a project that's had current small goals and long goals. We've been working to those as we go along.
Hi, my name's Stephen, and completing this project enables us to be more employable as we get a qualification as a HNC in general engineering. We gain more skills through working as a team, and we also get good communication skills.
Hi, my name's Clara. I'm studying an aeronautical engineering course. The project I am developing and designing is a landing gear system, which will also help the level 3 and level 2 students to understand how it works. The skills I have learned and developing at this time are how the power distribution is distributed and also how the electrical system works.
On this level 3 programme, the curriculum has been kind of expanded to suit the needs of employers within the local facility. They need skills that are over and above just being able to remove and replace components. It's looking at developing what would be the conventional curriculum skills in working on cars, so advanced skills such as being able to think outside the box, design processes. And for this particular project that we took on was looking at learning through demonstration. So we wanted to present to tutors, we wanted to present to learners, we wanted to present to prospective students who are going to come into the college. Without the use of a vehicle as a physical resource, your design brief was to think about how we could demonstrate auto electrical as a principle and present it in a feasible manner that didn't need to bring a car into a building.
Sort of at the start it was a bit difficult because we didn't know like what the skills and what we needed to do. Like with our project with the 2 doors we had to cut at an angle which we didn't know how to use the machine with. But with Mark's help, he like showed us how to do it and like the skills we had to do. And we've just like thinking with the designs and obviously the wheels and where everything would go, like it wouldn't hold up if it was just one, so we had to put 2 on. And obviously with the welding, fabrication and the designing, it's made us, the skills that we can have, more attractive to an employer who would obviously think, would he go for someone with these skills or someone without them?
New and emerging technologies that will improve the aerospace industry over the next 20 years, and we got given some pointers to put into the presentation that we could look at. So a lot of the teamwork helps a lot because in when you're working with your employees, you've got to work as a big team, and the teamwork that was involved was there was a lot of it.
The section that I've just seen is the first practice run for a group of students who are presenting to industry representatives and university people in the future, and it gives them a whole load of skills or practice a whole load of skills which they've not currently got. So they're learning about communication, teamwork, working to deadlines, working to timelines. These are all things you would do naturally in industry, but you don't necessarily do in an academic environment like this. So there's all that side of things, as well as the technology side of things. So they're learning about new technologies that are going to be introduced to aircraft in this case in the next 20, 30 years. And these young people are going to be exactly the people that are going to work on these, to develop these, to introduce them into industry. So it's working on all sorts of levels, this. And they're doing it themselves. They're not doing it with a tutor in front of them. They're learning by themselves. And that's much more powerful.